In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently utilize Google and Notion for support services. Whether you're new to Notion or looking to enhance your workflow, this guide will help you get started with ease. First, go ahead and open your web browser. We're going to start by searching for Notion. Just go to your browser's search bar and type in Notion. Once you've entered that search query, hit Enter. Quite straightforward so far, right? Now, you'll see a list of search results. Your next step is to identify the Notion web page, which should appear as the first result. Simply click on the link to go directly to Notion's homepage. Upon arriving at the Notion website, you'll notice a few options presented on the screen. What you want to look for here is the Login button. It should be located towards the top right corner of the page. Go ahead and click on it to access your Notion account. Do ensure that you're logging in with the correct credentials to avoid any inconvenience. Once logged in, you will now be on your main Notion dashboard. It's time to begin creating and organizing your workspace. You will see an Add New button, usually positioned on the sidebar or under your existing pages. Click on Add New to begin crafting a new page for your notes or projects. Next, you'll need to decide the format of your new page. Let's keep things simple and click on Empty Page to have a clean canvas. This will allow you to customize and structure your content freely. Now, you're all set to type in your text or notes. This could be anything from bullet points of your meeting highlights to a detailed project plan. Just start typing in the designated area, and you'll see your ideas come to life. If at any point you'd like to add a bit of flair or emphasis by changing the background of certain text, you can do so effortlessly. Highlight the portion of the text you wish to modify. With the text selected, look for an option that resembles a color palette or theme button. This button will present you with several editing tools. From the options available, navigate to the background color section. This feature allows you to customize the background from a range of colors to suit your theme preference or aesthetic. When you find a color you like, simply click on it to apply the new background to your selected text. And there you have it. You've learned how to set up a page, enter text, and even make use of text customization options in Notion. I hope you find this guide helpful and enjoy using these tools to streamline your work process. Feel free to further explore the multitude of features Notion has to offer to enhance your productivity.